Hey there folks, Slayton here, another exciting removal. This time we're in the town of Edcouch, Texas. We're here to remove an exposed beehive. It's been a nuisance beehive. Homeowner's been stung. They had a problem before in their house. And the bees somehow made their way back up into this tree back here and established a hive up there. So we'll be out here helping these folks out today. We do have quite a bit of animals, horses, and a farm. It is a farmhouse. And hopefully we can find that queen. God bless us. Put up a show for you. Give her a kiss. Stay tuned.
He just wanted to get me dressed up so I could look foolish.
You too. Hello. Hey there folks, Slayton here. We got a nice little Channel 5. We're going to be relocating this beast. Got the barajas with me.
He just wanted to get me dressed up. I guess it's not required for somebody experienced as him.
Watch the interview today. It will be aired today, maybe
6 o'clock, most likely.
6 o'clock. So stay tuned. You want to watch me live doing what I'm doing, so you can get the full video on YouTube once we post it. And while we're doing it, smoke them a little bit. A lot of people think that smoke's gonna make them leave your home, and people try to smoke them out. I've seen people burn their houses down or half their wall down trying to smoke the bees out of a beehive that's inside their house. The hives is established inside the house. It's kind of hard to get rid of them just by smoking them.
And how do you know what the queen looks like?
She looks almost size-wise like a rope.
She's significantly bigger than them.
She's significantly bigger than the rest of them.
And they're not stinging you right now? Or you're just...
No, not yet. I mean, I'll get stung all the time. I don't recommend people do this at home the way I do it. You know, it's just years of experience allows me to do what I do. So that's a little bit of brood right there. A little bit of honey. Brood means the babies, being the babies, right? So what I'll do is I'll put this here and I'll take it down there. Now, I want you to enjoy this though. Honey right there. Oh, I'll help you right there. Hold on. Get you on camera. You want to get on your camera over there? You can just take a bite in there.
So what this tastes like?
It's pure honeycomb.
Oh my God. That is amazing. That is awesome stuff.
That's good, huh?
Gotta share. Gotta share over here.
Share the love, share the love. Folks, it's a process.
How long does it usually take you to take down a hive?
Something like that is about 30 minutes or so. It's not too bad. Once I get half of this, I'll go down right now and I'll show you what I'm doing. So of course there's proper. This one here is rubber band. It's a little hard to film yourself for YouTube and be a YouTube celebrity. How's that, honey? I'll go, right? There's still some more up there I'll bring down right now.
That was good stuff.
So this was doesn't have much brood. These are boy bees, or brood for boy bees. These are the brood. Those are bees that are hatching now. You can see them right there. They're hatching. You want to show that to the camera? Yeah. That's actually pretty neat. That's a new generation of bees hatching right here. That was about to emerge from the cell.
And you were telling me earlier that you're trying to preserve the bees, correct?
Correct. What we're doing is we're relocating them to you. All these are hatching right now. They're chewing their way out of the cell. So you want to help one out, or pull them out, but just a little higher. Like I said, I physically put them in the box. So this is just trying to rescue some of the hatching brood that'll populate the hive once we take it.
What do you hope to do with them once? Where do you hope to relocate them?
We relocate them to either our research facility or an out yard where we feed them and tend to them. This one here, it's starving. There's not much. I mean, yeah, they do have a little bit of honey up there, but it's a typical hive of a summer we're having right now with not much rain. So the population should be bigger in that hive, like in the early spring. But since fall's coming in, they're starting to prepare themselves for the little winter we have in the valley. And our winter here is not as cold as it'll get pretty exciting. You'll see the gist of how many bees are in there right now.
What are you about to do?
I'm about to put them in that bucket and then pour them on that box. The bees that are up here, I'm gathering that are hanging here, they should be hanging there, right?
Yeah, I see them now.
They're forming. And I'll be talking to you, and the whole time I am still looking for that queen, right?
You hear all the buzzing now?
Oh yeah. They'll get a little excited and then they'll start going into the box. So you shouldn't come in this scoop, so I'll go back up there and look for it once they settle down some. Like I said, some of my secrets I won't reveal, but I do, but I'll give you the gist of it. Right? There's still way more bees over here. She's right here, she's right here, she's right here, folks. Found that queen. Queen kiss up here. Come on, some more bees for the camera for channel 5. I'll go down there right now and show you that queen. Except I'm not mic'd up anymore because I just pulled the string. I'll mic myself up right now. Show you that queen.
So is the queen more
Did
dangerous?
I just tear your mic? I think I did.
It should be okay.
Without this?
Oh, no, that's done.
Yeah.
Yeah, just go ahead and take it off.
Alright. Is that your personal mic?
No worries, man.
Tim Smith will pay for it anyway. Queen kiss, folks. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to do what I do. Without you, I'm nothing. Thank you, St. Martha. Sadiq, your guardian angel. Queen kiss. Once again, be smart, be safe, be strong. Subscribe up on top. Give us a like down below. Follow us on Facebook Live. We did some Facebook Live before my phone died. So, order our honey online. www.bestronghoney.com. Queen kiss again. That was a good one. Special. I got the TV crew with me. Put up a show for them. Once again, until next time, keep saving them bees.